But by the way, why didn't you go with Ngizo to meet the president? Oh.
It was a secret meeting.
You don't fuck with Matamela.
I knew about it last week, but the date was not confirmed.
I see.
The date was not confirmed. It was a secret meeting. The date was not confirmed. Yeah.
So you're invited?
There were calls. No, not invited, but I knew about it.
How did you know if you're not invited?
No, because he was telling me. And there was conversations happening when I was with him last week.
What did he say?
No, there was a back and forth on when exactly the date is going to happen.
Yeah. Why wasn't Jacinta there?
See, yes, that was the whole question. Because I saw on the social media as well. Why? Because Jacinta said she also found out on social media. She didn't know. She was unaware about it.
Oh.
Yeah.
About the meeting?
About the meeting, yes. So it was only Phakela and Ngizwe who went to this meeting.
Bonani Nijani, welcome back to our KZN podcast. Yay, umuntu akade egcina ukukhuluma nani. Ninjani niyaphila. Okay, first things first, this is business. Ake siqale sibukele ama adverts. Please nibese ke niyapress like bese nishare ke ama comment. But ke nkosi yami nganza ukuthi nibuka ama adverts. Ngamnyamazi buka nikhangiso ayike esivuka nazo ke namhlanje ukuthi ke isishiphelene phakathi kukaPhakela uMthakathi inguba amakhosi umntwana wefihlile wakantombela uJacinta uMangobese Zuma uKing Zoso lo Zoso kanye noNgizwe kodwa ke ake sithi nje sekunamaqembu amathathu iqembu likaNgizwe bese kuba iqembu likaPhakela uMthakathi bese kuba ke iqembu likaMangobese. This is what started the fight basically. And please don't come here and say we are lying. We're not lying. We are telling you the truth. Nawe nje umuntu osile ekhanda uzobona ukuthi kunoqhekeko olukhona. But ke iqhonuka lithole lithole ngathi lifile lokho nje lishaya nge what do you call it in Zulu? Lishaya ngempelesi lishaya okay, Twani, look at Tumela Badlwane Bado lapha kancane thola ngathi lifile. But if you know Ngizwe Mchunu, and I love him so much, I fight Ngizwe's battles every day. I always protect him. Uthole la khona uthole ucwathi lokho Tumela lezi ezewo ngoba amakhosi ngoba sihleli naye njengamanje. Funa sibheke ukuthi umfazi lo bani umfazi omkhulu yena umfazi ongcwele ukuthi uthini. Now this is what happened. Basically Phakela uMthakathi kanye noNgizwe Mchunu, they had a meeting as we all know no President Ramaphosa ngomhla ka-29 kuzovuka kumhla ka-30 June. Okay, sharp. So this thing happens in Sandton, right? uNgizwe khona, but uNgizwe uqale wahlangana noKing Misuzulu. King Misuzulu was meeting the president ukuthi uRamaphosa bethe ucela kuzoqinisekisa ukuthi inkosi yami eKZN imashi ingaphumi esandleni. Emva kalokho kwase kubizwa according to Phakela akuvela ukuthi uNgizwe wafika kanjani. Uthi uPhakela upresident umfonele mhlambe ngabo 2 imashi lokho imashi lokho ihlele ekseni umfonele kwazo kwaba izikhawu nje impela eziningi elokho enqabile nje ethi angifuna ngeke ngizwe imeeting uthe uze wajika standardini wabuyela ngoba le ndoda imfonele noma ikathathu lokho imncenge ukuthi cha ndaba upresident yakufuna, right? Now the social media people bathi kungani uJacinta engayona iparty ye meeting because the project belongs to her. She's the starter, she's the visionary. uPhakela wangena njengomuntu ezosiza. Social media people bathi uPhakela ungene njengenxeba esilondeni and then wathatha over. Yo, it's a lot. So there's an official statement ekseni esekhishwe uKing Obamakhosi uthi abafowethu kunokukhuluma okuningi okukhulunywayo esingakuziba bafowethu kunokukhuluma okuningi okukhulunywayo esingakuziba singakucacisi noma sizama ukucacisa engathi asikucacise kube kubalekile ukuthi abantu babe clear noma thina as leaders sicacise ukuthi simi kuphi. Ubhala udodi lo nile lebhala la nayo abantu abakhathazekile ngama illegal immigrants isikhathi eside up until kuvela uJacinta. Abantu bebekhathazekile ngesikhathi eside ngama illegal immigrants up until kuvela uJacinta Zinhle Mangobese ahleli march and march later eyaphenduka imarch and march. Abantu bameseka kakhulu especially abesifazane bagcwala sabona oyenzi yomambomvu bla 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 qhubekeke. nobhuti uphakela umthakathi bonke bayeseka le march bathola ukugxekwa abanye ukuthi abafuna ukubukwa benze content. Later on uMangobeso wajoyinwa abantu abafana neOperation Dudula, Action SA Xolani Khumalo weKhumalo Foundation, nobhuti uMalusi umlungisi inkinga Mancinza, nobhuti umthokozisi Felemtini Gumede, nobhuti Ngizwe. Some of them bevele benezinto zabe bezenze emaceni lakho uMancinza welakho akekho bengawazi umsebenzi wawo across the country okukhuculula ama illegal foreigners emsebenzini. Kubo bonke abavele ke emphakathini anti-march and march kulolu daba lokumasha against ama illegal. Hey lengani bhala uLentuzane bhala umsangano lo. But ke usethi ke ngoba amakhosi into ithi if une organization yakho okade uyenza ekade yenza okuhlukile lo daba lama illegal immigrants asike siludedele kwi-march and march thina seseke yona like first march, second march and third march ngoba the more kuba nama organization ahlukene under one issue and wonke afuna ukusebenzisa imibono yayo ngeke sifike phambili singaxatshaniswa abantu noma sixabane ngegcineni sibe sonke sine vision right. I-march and march abantu bayayithanda bayayithemba ngoba iphethe umuntu ongenawo umlando wepolitiki yagadla ngoba amakhosi manje gadla kuphakela umthakathi. Futhi ongakaze akhulume noma akhulume into eyenza abantu bamungabazi kanti nayo i-organization ezimele thina abanye asesekeni i-march and march sesekuJacinta if sinawethu ama organization awaqhubeke enza lezo zinto ayizenza singabe sesithi nalo ma organization lawo alwela ini ama illegal immigrants. Aqhubekeke lapha athi uma sihleli imarch akube i-march and march noma kube i-march nje against illegal immigrants not under ama organization ethu lokho kuyokwenza abantu basethembe nalokho ke esikulwelayo siku-achieve sibe yimbumba sibe ubumba sibe imbumbane sibe nombono owodwa umuntu ayeke ukuthi bese organize imarch akhulume ngokuthi i-organization yakhe. Lastly lenkulumo if ubunenhloso ehlukile izokuphatha kabi sometimes ungazobona kungcono udubo umzabalazo kodwa futhi uma unenhloso yodwa ne-march and march uzoyizwa lento futhi uzongivumela ukuthi ayibe yodwa organization ephusha umkhankaso thina abanye asiyilekelele sixhumane nayo before senze noma sihlele i-march or sihlele but sithi under i-march and march. Okay, basically ngoba amakhosi la lehla nongezo ithi angabi khona umuntu ozolwa nama illegal immigrants under i-organization ethile. If organize imarch musu uqhambisa ukuthi mina i-organization amikezeren podcast sizolo uthi cha iyenze ngoba munye umuntu oqhamuke nalento iyenze lapho uthi sizoseka i-march and march bese ukhuluma ngophakela umthakathi because uphakela umthakathi yes now uqhambisa i-organization yakho uNtsuza Nomsizo. Ama comment amaningi ke la athi yebo uPaul Mthakathi wrong first of all nalento ukuthi izwe lolo labantu besilisa uthi bathi abantu kanti abantu besifazane bayini. There so many people in South Africa who played a critical role ukuthi South Africa ibe lento ngani baba lo Winnie Mandela nabo Jacinta laba baqhamela into yabo uthi ke bathi ke why uphakele senza manje ngathi ubhola lakhe lento but okucasula abantu abaningi noma lokho njengoba belokhu nje behlasela Kings also ngapha benenguba amakhosi uphakela utheme ekhuluma lapha wathi upresident ubefuna mina bengafuna uJacinta ubefuna uJacinta ubezombiza angihambe mina ngibelethana noJacinta kusho uphakela umthakathi Ngqedela lapha wathi akukho professional ukuthi uthi ubizwe na uhamba ubizo uthi mina bengihamba nengane yami ayizange izishuthe ngisho isithombe ibihlele emotweni ngaze ngaqeda umhlangano ngoba bephuthuma hayibo bayiputshuza ke ithombe nansi ivideo la uPaul Mthakathi ingane yakhe ishutha no president nangu naye ishutha ingane yakhe no president. Now solo kusile namhlanje kuliwa lo ndaba leyo ukuthi uPhakela Mthakathi useqhuba ama objective noma inhloso zakhe ezithile because he was a councillor le-IFP. He then had a fight in the IFP bamxosha ohlabisa bazwane noUthami. Manje usiyazibuyisa kubantu and useqhakambisa uNtsuza Nomsizo. Bathi hlala lento ukuthi wena ngithi wena ukuthi wena ukhulisa izingane ema-camp zabefana. Qhubeka nalokho ke. Bathi ke what was the core mandate of your organization? Ngoba uthi nobu exister for years around 2016 but nobody knew you. akuvumela ukuthi wena wakhele ngamaqhubu enye ungathi ke ngoba usuwakhele bese ufuna ukuyimela. No respect to Jacinta. Jacinta was obviously upset when they asked her ukuthi why she was not part of the meeting. Mina personally, if nganguphakela yabo angimbali uNgizwe, and I keep on saying this, Ngizwe is not a business person. Ngizwe is not business minded. Ngizwe is uNgizwe akayona threat. Ngizwe will never be a threat. The threat right now with Jacinta is uphakela umthakathi. Ngizwe was part of the meeting, but I can guarantee you Ngizwe akanangisho CK, so uNgizwe akuyona umuntu ongazomthatha serious ngalo ndlela. He's not greedy, ufuna imali yangalo nkathi. Now makubuya lapha yana kule meeting sekuyaxatshwana, akekho ufuna ukusho ukuthi kwakhulunywa ngani. Abantu baveza ke ukuthi phakela umthakathi nansi ingane yakho bekhona. Phakela umthakathi, what was the core of your company Ubunsizwa Nomsizwa? Uthi you were there around 2016 but nobody knew you until March and March. Yes, he came ngeenhloso ze-right, but abantu you came with inhloso ze-right but sezishintshile inhloso zakho because power and fame is him overcome. What do you guys think honestly on this situation? And you must be very open-minded, unga commenting on my feelings. Me right now, I'm in between. I don't have any favorites. I love Ngizwe obviously, but he's not part of this. He's not causing havoc. But we know right now what is behind the scenes. Uthumela lemdlwana yakhe emncane. Supposedly ke njengamanje nkuzamala ngundaba yathi kuyokhathala ngijim, meaning he's aware the fact ukuthi Ngizwe is angry about something. Kanti yini lena eyenzakalile emhlanganweni kaRamaphosa esenza babuye bengekho hip? Uzosa uthenga ifoni 33,000 ngo cash. Bebeyithathaphi leyo mali leyo? Kungenzeka yini ukuthi bakhalela ukuthi bathole imali encane ndaba bathole imali enkulu? Is it because imashi kaNgizwe eGoli ibe out of control, imashi ngapha yaba right? Is it because ubizwe press briefing? But ake sibe neqiniso, nobody knew uphakela before Jacinta. We're not saying the company was not there in organization, but it be non-existent because it was not there. Again, what was the core of the foundation in Insizwa Nomsizwa? Is it to fight illegal immigrants, or is it to help to groom men? If that's the case, then please use this time to continue and groom men. Ungatha hijack inkosi yami into yenye ngane ilokho ikhale njalo ke nayo inkosi yami uJacinta lapha ya uthrowa amashade kancane kodwa akafuna ukuveza lokho ethe nje lokho ibala abantu aqala nabo ubalo mancinzi ubalo ofela umntwini ubala abantu abafonela ubala nje ukuthi how long she's been fighting alone, and you know you could actually see ukuthi she's upset but akafuni ukuthi akhulume. This thing izohlanganisa ngamagwerekwere. Wena Jacinta nawe phakele ake niyeke lento, wena Ngizwe hlala lapho uxokozele ngemuva nathana sama ikinking iyekeni lento. I will say mina Jacinta must go sit down with phakele umthakathi bobayi2 ba address these issues because they are there. Is phakele umthakathi trying to take over? Yes, he is, definitely. Monga kuboni lokho uyadideza. And two, lenihlengisa ngamagwerekwere. If ukuthi kulelwa indaba yama illegal immigrants akuhlangana akuyekela umuntu owayiqala. If you ayenza, don't do it ngempela under a lab ukuthi under ngiyini. No, why usufuna ukuphuma ibhodo lakho kusa ele kanjeni? Anyway, comments akasiza.